Improvisation Center back again in the garden, obviously. Just getting rid of some wood stove ashes and at the same time digging up sweet potatoes. These raised beds right here had little sweet potatoes in here. Might not seem like a lot to some, but it's enough to be able to say this little setup actually works. Now, like that right there, it's a good little pull for the one little plant that was in there. I mean, I'm not saying this is experimental because I'm sure everybody's done raised beds before, but just to know that you can actually do such a setup and get harvests of this nature is at least cool in the sense, because that means you can grow crap anywhere. See if there's any more on this vine here. See if we can get any more in here. Yay, no, yay, no, yay, no. Moving along. Let's see what we can pull up here. Pull the dead plant up by the root. See if we get a little something. Little baby tubers. I could probably hang on to some of these little baby roots. Put them in the right conditions and they'll sprout out in the springtime. And maybe be able to start a whole nother batch. Oh, there's another one. Get that one out of there. Let's see, any more. Another little baby tuber. Just bunches of roots. Don't know what the hell that's from, but it go bye-bye. Let's see what this one yields. Got a teeny bit of something, but let's dig deeper. Yep, got one right there. Anything else? I don't know. Nope, don't look like anything else in that one. I'll come back to those later. Got our last pull right here that initially didn't have anything attached. Let's go deeper. Mining for sweet potatoes. I feel something here. Come on, you big bastard. There we go. That's a nice one. Anybody else? Well, not for that plant. Last one. Oh yeah, look at that big, look at this right here. One great big sweet potato. Yeah. Probably not going to have anything else in there because of the simple fact that, well, nope, I was wrong. I was pleasantly wrong. Let's see if there's anything else. Oh, wait, I feel another one. There's a little baby tuber and another little potato. Anything else? Anything else? I don't think so. I don't think so, man. Pull that up, get the little baby tuber out of the way, level this dirt off. Now we can at least take these vines, put them in the compost can, break those off, get all this here. See anything I can pull off here? I'll try to take that one off. Like I say, sometimes these roots can be allowed to sprout, get a whole nother plant again. So we're gonna save that. But this stuff goes bye-bye into the compost can. Yeah. Nope, nothing for you, chicken. Drop the line. Like I said, this is the main reason for us putting this compost can right here, close to the action. So, yep, we got us some sweet potatoes here and here, and maybe some starter for next year right there. So, until the next time, Improvisation Center is gonna get all this crap taken inside, and then we're gonna get to work on other stuff. So you know what to do. Subscribe, share, all that good crap, and I shall return.